Assalamualaikum and very good evening. So my name is Muhammad Faris bin FAISAL RIZAL. Today we'll be talking about our product, and that is control speed of DC motor. So we all know that a motor can move either clockwise or counterclockwise, but what we don't know is that we could control the speed of a motor by using a microcontroller, and rather than just controlling the voltage that the motor receives to adjust the speed of the motor. So we decided to create a product that could control the speed of a DC motor with just a twist or a push. As we created the product, we encountered a long-term problem that we can't solve for a long period of time, and that is the coding of the product. We tried many types of coding and hired some of import coder to program this product until it's properly function. We also encountered a small problem, that is to find cheap but good quality component for our product to meet the requirement that we demand. To complete the program, we have to use the internet and the lecture note that have been provided by our lecturer as a reference. For the build of our circuit, we managed to fully operate it like how we initially wanted it, and in order to do so, we take reference from the internet and figuring out the connection of the circuit outside. So this is our table of component. So we use keypad to type in the RPM. We use PIC18F4580 as the brain of the circuit. We use LCD to show the RPM of the motor. We use L293D motor driver. We use 12-volt motor to see the direction of the motor. And lastly, virtual terminal to see the RPM of the motor. So this is the result. As you can see, 0 volt won't move anything, and highest RPM we could go to is 1000 RPM that move clockwise.
My name is Muhammad HAZIQ bin HABIBULLAH, and I will be continuing our presentation for tonight. During the completing of phase of our project, we faced a few problems along the way, such as what type of motor driver should we use, why our program did not suit the PIC18F45980, and how do we connect the motor driver to the PIC, and lastly, how to build a fully functional circuit. We can conclude that from this project, we can see that our project can make more output by using more and cheaper price than DC motor that have been used in the industry. From the result, we also achieve all the objectives that we targeted from the project. We are able to make easier and more efficient to control DC motor. We use higher RPM that is suitable for the project and make it adjustable so it can be controlled, so the customer will able to control the speed of the motor. And lastly, we can make a high quality product by using a minimum and more affordable price project. The lifespan of our product is up to 15 years. In 5 years, more than the average product in the market. For the recommendation so far, we are thinking of building the project to make it easy to disassemble and assemble, so it can make maintenance more easier, so the product can produce the maximum output continuously. We are also thinking of using the case so that the inner part of the motor will not get contamination by any impurities from the outside world. We created this product to purposely attract all the manufacturers that have been using motor for their product, because mostly it is too complicated to control the speed of a motor in a product. For example, we will advertise our product to a company that created a remote control car. We also sell it one set of the product for only 59 ringgit and 90 cents each, and give a discount if the client buy in large quantity or in bulk. This way, we can also pull more client into buying our product and give them discount by seeing how much they buy from us. For the commercial value of the product, our product value for the first come out will be highly demand, and we can put on high price for one set, because our DC motor speed control is easy to use with just a twist to the control speed. We also use a high voltage motor, so it can goes up to 1000 RPM. So you can see this is the cost, the full cost of our project. For the PIC 18F4580, we use 36 ringgit. For the LCD, we bought it for 19 ringgit. For the Hyper Dash motor, it is 16 ringgit and 60 cent. For the motor driver L249D, it is 11 ringgit and 90 cent. So the total project is only cost about 84 ringgit and 40 cents. Alright, that's all we are presenting now. We are going to show you a video of how our project run and how the circuit and how we build the circuit. Okay, this is
So this is our circuit, our product of circuit that we created. So you guys can see how it function.
as you can see, we are using the keypad in order to put the voltage that is needed, and the RPM will come out on the display just like the result we have shown you. And the RPM will increase as much as you need, as much as 1000 RPM by entering the keypad, by entering the number on the keypad.
Okay, so
That's all
all
from us.
from us. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.